Underlying this entire course curriculum is what we term the context-based collaborative learning, which means that it's a year-long process of working in groups, understanding team spirit, team building. There are bricolaires or mentors who carry the whole cohort of students through a journey which enables them to integrate the learning across the disciplines. One of the other features of the curriculum is a year-long writing program. By the end of the year, you would have acquired the skills and competencies of writing policy memos, short proposals, and very many things that are needed in the field of development. You will interact with social activists, with people from the corporate world, range of political leaders, social leaders, to make a true contribution to social purpose organizations and the development sector.
The course that we're doing right now, it's a workshop on participatory approaches and methods. So this is about how you can engage the community, create the conditions for them to be able to participate in decision making and in the planning. A lot of those methods are visual methods. So this workshop is about teaching students on how to actually use those techniques, but also understanding what actual participation is. We're going to be doing a district immersion program called Realizing India, where they spend 2 weeks in the district. And we're hoping that they will use some of these tools and techniques in the districts with communities that they will be engaging with.
The pedagogy is something, it is I think very different from what we are used to, which is very unidirectional. We are involved in a lot of steps, so it's not that just the faculty is deciding that they will be delivering a lecture on this. And we are being asked to give constant feedbacks as to how we can implement it in our daily life, and we have these plenaries where we try to make sense of all that is happening. So all this is something very unique to this program.
Along with the courses, there'll be courses that will also focus on personal development, personal mastery. Even if you're doing a course on management, that student gets to design their own project, and then they get to know, oh, this is how I will be managing it. So that I factor comes in, and the personal touch that comes in every course, that connectivity is very unique.
For those youngsters who are more enlightened, who are more courageous and brave, we have an institution that you can go to, derive support from, and be inspired by. And that's what's exciting about joining ISDM.